Okay, how does that look? The owner already planted something in there. How's that looking? Doesn't that look professional? I got it all down about an inch. And the funny thing was, it only took about 3.5 containers of this garden soil. And that's because it wasn't a full 3 inches deep. It was maybe 2.5 or so, plus I left it down a little bit. So I could have gotten by with 4 bags total. As it was, we put a little bit in these, and there's about 1/3 of a container left, and then this one here too. Okay, so I'm looking at my project, and I think I'm pretty much done with what I told him I would take care of. Okay. All right. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And the more you watch, the more you'll learn.